Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can allow others to share your Facebook post. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Facebook, and one way you can do this is by going onto your profile. So just click on these three lines on the top right and click on your name at the top and go down till you find the post that you want to allow to be shared, and click on these three dots on the right hand side. Then you should have the option to edit privacy. So once you're on here, just make sure this is turned on to public or friends, depending on what you want to do on that. Then select save. And another way you can do this is if you go into the settings cog on the top right, you scroll down until you see profile and tagging. Click on that, and you should see allow others to share your posts to their story. So you just want to make sure that's toggled on as well. Thanks for watching.